हेलो एवरीवन, वाइब्स ऑफ इंडिया की ओर से मैं पूजा आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। और आज हम चलने वाले हैं एक ऐसे गार्डन में जो बहुत ही अधिक चर्चाओं में है। जी हाँ, ज़ेन गार्डन। और अगर हम उसे अहमदाबाद का मिनी जापान कहें तो वो गलत नहीं होगा। तो चलिए चलते हैं ज़ेन गार्डन।
So I would say Konnichiwa from Mukesh Patel, President of the Indo-Japan Friendship Association Gujarat, and also the founder of the Japan Information and Study Center at AMD. We welcome you to this unique garden experience, and let me tell you that what we are going to show you is actually a teamwork, because as they say, that teamwork can create dream work.
Alright, konnichiwa. So that is the word, Japanese word for asking how are you. So I would like to start this with konnichiwa. And now Japanese Zen garden, as our PM Narendra Modi already said that what is Zen in Japan is Adhyatma, spirituality in India. So before starting the garden, our main aim was that whenever a person enters the garden, person must feel Zen. The word Zen stands for peace, serenity and calm. Let us walk.
Yeah. So this is a fountain grass. So it will flower, right? So the brown color of leaf also will be visible. So it will look absolutely natural things which is leading towards Lord Buddha. So this is brown, this is green, and the flowers will be this same character. Now this is a bamboo, right? So this is the character which is the bamboo. They will not grow very tall, but the grove will be created near the Buddha.
Now,
you will see there is a character which is looking like a banana leaf, but that is not banana, that is Musa palm. So over the head there will be umbrella which will be created with these long leaves. So as if under the nature the Buddha, Lord Buddha is meditating, the effect will come this manner. You can see this is the bonsai which has been kept. This is a Japanese. No bonsai is from China. These are all from India. This pond also we are going to maintain as natural as possible. So all these creepers which are growing nearby, they will be dripping down inside. So no cement edging will be visible.
it's a traditional lantern and the style is pagoda style, right? That the lantern style is pagoda style.
Yes.
ओके बट मैम आई वांट टू आस्क समथिंग कि जो नॉर्मल लैंटर्न्स हैं उससे ये किस तरीके से डिफरेंट है, क्या इसमें एक स्पेशलिटी है?
See, it's a structure. Basically जो structure होता है उनका, वो जो style है, that is the pagoda style, which is basically from Japan. Like you can see the top of the Azumaya, that is also like pagoda style. That triangle like roof, that is also, and that is the same pattern. You can continue in the Toro lantern, which is traditional Toro lantern.
Japanese characteristic है ये sukubai. Please.
Why? Yes, this is visible in English. It's okay. Yeah. This is a typical Japanese, like a wash basin, which is used, when people before enter the temple or before they enter a Zen garden where there's usually a tea ceremony. So before that, they wash their hands. So this is a typical traditional model of a sukubai basin.
And And we will now be entering into the Kaizen Hall. But before that, you can take a look at this lovely lady. She's all dressed up in her kimono, and you can see how fine detailing has been done. You know, on her dress, the bird which you see is the royal, just as we have the peacock. The crane is the national bird of Japan. And you see the floral designs. These are the bonsais, as was explained to you. And this is what we call as the shoji interior door. And when you open, ये हमारा गार्डन का लास्ट बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्पॉट इसलिए है कि ये जो बना, ये एक ह्यूगो और गुजरात का एक फ्रेंडशिप मिशन का एक क्रिएशन है।
इधर हम यूजुअली ट्रेडिशनल ज़ेन गार्डन में रेक से ऐसे पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं वो ड्राई चिप्स के अंदर, और वो ही पार्ट का एक्सटेंशन, क्योंकि ये टाइल्स बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है। दे कम फ्रॉम द आवाजी रीजन इन ह्योगो। तो वहाँ के वॉल्केनो होता है, उसकी जो काली ग्रेश मिट्टी होती है उससे ये टाइल्स बनते हैं। तो इसीलिए आप देखेंगे तो उसका स्लाइट ऐसा मेटालिक लस्टर होता है।
आपको हम कहते हैं सायोनारा।